It's easy to add enticing flavor and visual appeal with Katy's Kitchen Croutons and crunchy toppings. Top off your salad, your sandwiches, and a variety of other dishes. All products are shelf-stable and ready to use, and add a layer of flavor and texture in one easy step. Do-it-yourself toppings can be labor-intensive, inconsistent, and have a much shorter shelf life. Katy's Kitchen Crunchy Toppings taste like scratch, without the prep work, baking, or frying. Katy's Kitchen Crunchy Toppings. They are a fast way to dial up the visual plate appeal, give patrons the crunch they crave, and command a higher menu price. You can bring a whole new dimension to your customer favorites, or quickly respond to trends and seasonal menus. At just pennies per serving, crunchy toppings can add dollars to your profit margin. With a variety of products, Katy's Kitchen has just the right crunch for your creation. Katy's Kitchen. Great recipes start here.